Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you how I made this Pixar ball. I'm so pleased with how it turned out, it's really cool. It's really simple and easy. Sorry, I'm having fun playing with it. Let's get on with the video. So this is the ball I'm going to be using to make this DIY Pixar ball. It's a sponge one, and as you can see it's already yellow. So I got this from Decathlon in the UK, I think it was around £2. I'll put a link in the description. And then I've also got these star templates, which I used my Cricut machine to cut out. So I don't know which one I'm going to use yet. I might use this one, but it seems to stretch. Or I might just use this and draw around it and then paint the inside red, how the Pixar ball is. I'm just going to use a ruler. And I'm going to mark around the ball with a pencil. I think around, I think I'll do about 2 centimeters each side. So I'm going to hold the ruler with this middle line at the 2. I'm going to mark here on the 1, on the 0, sorry, and here on the 4. Okay, once you finish putting all the markings around like I have here, so you can see these pencil markings, you can go ahead and start painting it. So the middle stripe is blue. So I'm going to use this cut off bottle cap just to balance the ball on. I'm going to secure it with some glue tack. So for the blue, I'm going to mix these 2 colours here. So these are Arteza Outdoor Acrylics. This one is Sapphire, I think it's called, and this is Olympic Blue. So I'm just going to mix them as it's like a darker blue than this, but kind of lighter than this colour. So I'm going to use this yellow paint just to cover up the logo. I have started, I forgot to record, but the grey logo there. It might take a few layers just because it's a darker colour. I did try and scrape it off, but it didn't go to plan and it ended up just eating away at the sponge. So I'm going to place this down and draw around it with my pencil. star's been drawn. You should be able to just see the faint outline of the pencil. Now I'm going to use this candy apple red. So this is how my ball is looking currently. I'm going to use some yellow paint to actually touch up some areas, like here, because you can still see the logo, which is really annoying, and also some other areas where the blue got stuck by accident, and even some of the red. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Let me know if you're going to give it a go in the comments down below. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like if you enjoyed watching. Thanks guys, bye!